We're looking at the Dropbox on one of our Oshkosh 2008s that I sent the VIN number on. What we have here is a high-low range selector and gears assembly. The fork, which I will gently bring over and show you, has been worn a good portion of it off, and I don't think it correlates with the what I'm concerned about here, in the sense that the bearings are digging into the shafts, and I'll give you the sound noise of what reason why we tore it down in the first place was because we heard this horrendous noise echoing through the chassis. Working its way out, which is irrelevant to what we're doing here, but this is where the noise is coming from, in this area right here. I'll remove it and you can see what I'm talking about. This is the better, the two shafts, and as you can see, there's lines, grooves. It's hard to see with the video, but there are grooves getting worn into the shafts. The high range one is much worse. If you look at the bearings are in fairly good shape. The oil that was in the machine was in good shape, and I believe we have a sample of that. I will show you when you take this all the way apart. Hopefully you can see the lines in here, and then these lines right here is what's making that noise. What it appears to be is that what's engaged with the gear selector here, it appears that the bearings are spaced too far apart. I know on the older transmissions in Dropboxes, these bearings, there was more rollers. Now I see on the newer styles, these rollers are further apart. That would be my thought process on what this is doing. When it's in a stagnant position and not, it's in that shifted gear, the housing is sitting there shaking like this in there due to the fit.